Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Arun and today I'm going to be making these cool crescent darts and I'm sorry for being this late. I didn't have any idea of what to make next of my previous video. So this weapon is from Moon Knight, the Marvel series which just released 30th March. So it's not sponsored by the way. Let's make one. So the first step is to make ourselves a template. You can make one or you can download it from the description below. Here, I took two bowls of diameter 15 and 16 centimeters each. If you're making a template, draw as shown. This is an ivory sheet and this is a normal A4. Ivory sheet is thick and has the thickness almost same as that of a cereal box cardboard. Now cut out the template and trace it onto the ivory sheet. Now trace it again on the same sheet. Now cut it and make sure that both the crescents align together perfectly. After that, take a normal A4 and tear it into half and roll it. Keep the other one for later projects. Now bend it and align it perfectly in place with the crescents. After that, take a glue gun and stick the roll to one of the crescents. Now place the second crescent on top of the first one and bend it so that it gets the shape and look. After that, tape the edges of both the sides together. And that's it. Your cool crescent darts are done. That's all for today guys. Thanks for watching. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.